Once you get inside of our team site, you're going to want to do exactly these steps. Set up your system.io, come back to the team site, and now go to video number 2. Let me go back to the funnel page. So we did this, we set up the account. Now it's just following the instructions here. This is where we're going to get our capture page and our sales page, and it literally is plug and play. I'm not going to watch the videos here because I already know how to do it, but you're going to watch the video and then click the button, and you're going to see here. Let me go back to my dad's system. As you see, this is blank. Let me go to funnels, and you see that that's blank. And let me go back to the team site, click on this green button, and boom. So there it is. So now it's inside of my dad's system. Let me go back over to this other one, and I'm going to refresh the page. As you see, the funnels are empty. Let me move this over so you can see funnel. Funnels are empty. Let me go ahead and refresh if I can. My thing's in the way. Sorry. I got to pull this down a little bit. Refresh. Now you're going to see the funnel is going to be there. Boom. And there's the funnel. Click on that. And then now it's just changing a few things inside of the system. So I'm going to go to the capture page. Let me show you what that looks like. There's the capture page created by a top affiliate marketer that now you have access to. And then let's go over to the sales page. Let's click that. Let's go back over here. Paste that. And now you have the same exact sales page that I'm utilizing for my business. And all you have to do is make some tweaks. I'm going to scroll down quick. To where you change the green button where it's going to go to your LiveGood page. Let me scroll all the way down here to the first green button right here. So this button, you're going to put your LiveGood tour page link there. So when somebody clicks on this, it goes to your tour page instead of what's already in there. So that's it. Now you have your capture page, you have your sales page, professionally built.